See, I'm on a Siamo. This guy went there, so now I will my portion come off for us when they go up this morning. See, now time now almost 9 o'clock for Temolie. This guy still there. Man, near man asking a question. Man, at the list, you know. Now those central boys when they leak toto. Now see I just now. Man, near. Now see I just now. Since morning I day yo, they know. Bros.
Bros, good evening.
I greet you, bro. So, let me greet you that time when they go work this morning.
Bros, no verse. I agree to that time, bros.
Yes, but bros, now this morning they I tell you the way to your train. What did they happen?
Bros, see, bros. I beg you, Benny.
Oh, we are doing here, but speak English because when they go, I see you say you there with all this your bag. I can't say maybe now train they wait for, bros. But you still there. What did they happen now, bros?
Bless you, bros. Man, not lie for you, bros.
I know the year you talk loud now.
This morning, now you're there, bros. This morning, I'm not there, but now you're sleep.
What happen?
You know what happened, bros?
No.
Now, woman be saying, now, Nigeria for the friend this girl, they come. Now, it is my entire road.
So if they talk now, they shake now. I know say cold day.
Bros, I live well for Nigeria. And this girl, can you say make an entire road, bros? See my entire road.
Not vessel. So which year be that one?
Bros, now 2015 years so. Now me call entire road. Now I dey with her for Italy. Yeah.
That was about 5 years ago now.
Yes, bros. Me and dey room since then. We dey do everything together. We dey live. Even I can go short.
You now your wife, you marry her?
Bros, now my mama say na my wife. Based on my mama know me, my people know me.
But you never put money for yet.
No, bros, I never put money for yet. But at least they don't recognize me now. I'm one marry her.
And what you call happen now?
Bros, see, come and take go show now. I dey assist that girl, bros. I dey assist her. She get, bros. You know what to tell me? Say yesterday the matter you happen. That girl come for we for Warsaw for road work. Just come, bros.
Can a road work she they do?
Then road work na shawo. Me dey go show, bro. My car be my bag with this.
I see.
Bros, now they tell me say like this, like your combo. Tell me say bad talk you will move. Baby, what did they happen? Yeah, I move. Go and see.
Una quarrel?
No, me tell her joke, bros. Because me, I need to stay. See if I can or make food. Make TV come. Maybe don't make Bangkok for grand. I don't make food. Come on, make a specific call. What I eat because me never eat. Now you come say, you tap me say, baby, you go move. Now what did they say? Move go here. He say, I beg, my ex-boyfriend don't come back to me. So I go move.
But the girl now, since how many years now don't they together?
You calculate us now, I'm to 5 years now. Nigeria, yes. Now can say me I go move. That's how baby. What did they have? Because meeting a play like the first time meeting a play. You can say, baby, what did they happen? You just start to arrange my bag, say make her move. Say a boyfriend, so that you call police for me. I can't beg her, say baby, make you calm down.
Una de quarrel?
You never quarrel before, bros. If I lie to you, bros, even yesterday night and I 4 times now I fuck this girl. Say
but bro, I not believe you. You be central. More than the thought truth. Una not they work for Italy. Una they do central. Now they leak Toto. Now Toto is the leak now. I know the video I hear on my phone. How woman you carry Porsche? You say na your woman. What?
Almost 5 years now. We don't take day.
But look your head now. Not be you at the sea so. Bro, you be central. Bro, shut up, you be central, you dey lick Toto. You know so why now, get no more.